Welcome guys, in this video we are going to the top of tallest waterfalls in the world. Tugela Waterfalls through Amphitheater hike, via chain ladders in the KwaZulu-Natal province of South Africa.
With the rings. Hi guys, don't choose the ladders without the rings. Choose this one. Even the little bit staggered, it will be easy to climb.
The most spectacular trail is to the top of Mondo Sources, which starts at the Sentinel Car Park, through Tugela on the R57, approximately 2 hours drive from Royal Natal National Park via the R74. From here it is a relatively easy climb to the top of the amphitheater, however it does take about 4.5 hours to 8 hours round trip depending on fitness level. Access to the summit is via 2 chain ladders. This is the only day hiking trail which leads to the top of the Drakensberg escarpment.
Amphitheater. Yo. Stu, you can. You're almost there. Stu, my bro. You're almost there. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Woohoo! Stewie! Stu! Stu! Okay, come on. At least answer. You're good, come on. I think he's coming. He's coming. This is the second set of chain ladders to the amphitheater hike. That's Miles and where's Mish? That's Mish. Woo! Yeah, they've done it. They've done the chain ladders. Oh my god. Stewie! You're almost there. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Give me a pose. Ah! He has done it. Come on. Great. We have successfully done the the first phase of chain ladders to the amphitheater hike, and yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Yes, done it. Come. You gotta breathe here.
Okay. Right.
Right
Well
now.
done.
Okay.
Well done.
Well done.
Well done.
Now we are going to the second phase of chain ladders.
Yay!
Yeah, you're probably gonna get the legs. Just to see the top of the ladder. Woohoo! Well done! Woo! Did you look here? Look here. You're in a video. Long back. That's Mount Oxosis, which is the sources of Tugela Falls, Orange Falls, which will flow, and Elan's Fall, Elan's River. Sorry, not the falls. Good. Yeah, again come back. Again, I can come back. Come to the top again.
Tugela Falls is a complex of seasonal waterfalls located in the Drakensberg Mountains, also called as Dragons Mountains, of Royal Natal National Park in KwaZulu-Natal Province, Republic of South Africa. According to some measurements, it is the world's tallest waterfall. The combined total drop of its 5 distinct free-leaping falls is officially 948 meters, which is 3,110 feet. In 2016, however, a Czech scientific expedition took new measurements, making the falls 983 meters, which is equal to 3,225 feet tall. The data were sent to the World Waterfall Database for confirmation. The chain ladders gives us a thrilling experience as it is situated above 3,000 plus
First
meters.
set of chain ladders, where you can see the first set of chain ladders with the rings, which was installed 60 years back. I'm going to climb the second set of chain ladders with my team. Okay, let's go. These two, my bro, Baya, yeah, Baya, is going to carry out the next phase of the video. I think it's on, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's on.
Okay.
It's on.
See you on the
See you on the top, my brother. Ta-ta!
Yeah. Ta-ta. Hi guys, don't use the ladders without the rings. Even the little bit staggered, it will be easy to climb.
Go left. Jeez. Ah, my turn next. Well done, my Baya.
Okay, I'm done. Yeah, you can come down.
This 11.7 kilometer out and back trail generally considered a challenging route. This is a very popular area for birding, hiking, and walking, so you'll likely encounter other people while exploring. You'll need to leave pups at home, dogs aren't allowed on this trail. You will have an elevation gain of 779 meters.